Yes, sir, no problem.
Followed actress on Instagram platform. I would like to also call on our special guests to also address us on when she came to India, what she experienced, and maybe what she overcome, and what she is trying to overcome also. Thank you for having me on the line.
Gaskiya na yi mamaki. Na yi mamaki sosai, na yi mamaki sosai. In ban da Bahaushe ya ce ƙarfin zuciya irin na mutum, ina shigowa na zo fashe da the first thing a foreigner does whenever he travels is look for his home. No matter how, eager you want to travel to whether come as well. First person can ganin dan wanka, you feel happy. And I've been in Lucknow for over a month without one single Bahaushe here. So I can't even, I don't know how to express how happy and delighted I am being here to see my people from Nigeria, most especially from northern Nigeria, because I believe everybody from here is from northern Nigeria. It feels really cool and peaceful, and the warm reception, the hospitality, the love, it's just so, I'm grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you. I didn't expect to walk into a room full of my people. I just thought it's going to be a casual meeting with the management of the school and then a few pictures and just one. But all of this, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Even if you're not able to watch it, Allah ya saka da alkhairi, Allah ya saka da alkhairi. Na gode sosai. Mun gode mu gaske.
The day of Bilingual Film Personality, Dear students, it is indeed a pleasure and an honor for us all at Integral University and personally for me to be participating in this program today, organized by our very own students from Nigeria at Integral University. The energy, the exuberance, the enthusiasm exhibited by the Nigerian students today is at a different level. A famous film star of their country is amidst them, meeting them, greeting them, far away from their homeland, in their second home, which is Integral University. Barka da zuwa. I remember I first happened to meet a famous Indian film star at an airport in Singapore. Very happy to share with her all about India. So I'm sure